kung i-describe ko si mama, siguro unang-una is loving. Lalong-lalo na sa aming magkakapatid. Palagi siya nandyan for us, no matter what. And siguro pagiging kind din. Kasi sa mga ibang tao, sobrang kind niya. Lalong-lalo na sa mga nangangailangan. Sobrang kind niya talaga.
Si mama kasi sa aming magkakapatid, strict siya, pero sobrang lambing, mapagmahal sa amin. And lagi kaming ginagabayan sa lahat ng gusto namin gawin. Hindi niya kami pinapabayaan. Na-advisean niya kami lagi ng mabuti para sa amin.
Pangarap mong maging isang prinsesa, ito na yun, natupad na. Happy birthday na lang. Mag-enjoy ka. God bless and I love you.
Ikaw na ang pinaka-the best no mother. Salamat kay Lord na pinakita sa inyo ang napakagandang buhay. At hindi lang sa inyo, pati na sa aming lahat na pamilya.
And siguro si mama, as a mother ko, sobrang caring niya. Talagang alam niya sa amin na tatlong magkakapatid kung malungkot ba kami o hindi. Talagang pinupuntahan niya kami sa kwarto kahit ayun, sobrang busy niya.
Nais ko po munang magpasalamat kay Lord sa lahat ng mga biyayang pinagkaloob po sa amin na kung bakit po naganap po itong event na to sa buhay ko.
Thank you so much for everything. You're such a blessing to everyone us here. Napakalaki ng puso mo, lalo na sa mga mahihirap, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan.
Hi Mama, happy 50th birthday. Grabe, it's crazy to think na 50 ka na and being a mother for 25 years is not an easy job. So, ayan, but with all your hard work and resilience, you still managed to give us the life that we could only dream of. And with the amount of people you've helped, loved, and shared kindness with, I would say that you really are the best teacher for that. And because of that, you've touched a lot of hearts, including ours. Ayun, I want you to know that you are loved and appreciated. Stay golden, Mama. I love you so, so much. Mwah.
So ngayong birthday, Mama, lahat ng niisip mo, kalimutan mo muna, na lalo na yung mga nakaka-stress. Yun, enjoy the night. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
It's the glow of your face from the candles on your birthday cake. Little things that turn into a moment.
You're the best mom ever, and we're so blessed to have you in our life. I hope today brings you all the happiness and peace you truly deserve. Bawas-bawasan ang galit and yung sobrang stress, bawas-bawasan kasi hindi maganda sa kalusugan. Nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo, and I love you always.
Living the best days of your life. I got a feeling.
Hi, Tito Tim. Today we celebrate your 50th birthday. Just know that I am forever grateful to all your wisdom, help, and of course the love that you share to us sisters. And happy birthday, I love you.
Fireworks taking turns while we're dancing in the sky. Not playing it by the book. We jump and we
Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, yun nga, sabi ng mga anak mo, bawasan yung stress. Siyempre, ang pinaka-wish ko talaga ngayon, sana lalo mo akong mamahalin. Thank you for everything. And sana patuloy lang na natin manasimulan.
living the best days of your life. I got a feeling that you're doing all right.
Hello, golden girl. Happy birthday. I know you have traveled for a milestone, 50 years, to the remaining milestones of your next journey in life. We love you so much. From your Sir Padua, happy birthday.